I will show you how you can private your Instagram account. So let's open your Instagram and click on your profile icon. Click on three lines, then click on account privacy. Here, when you select this option, this pop-up will appear. Business account cannot be private. So my ID is business type, so just let it off. Go back, then here I will convert my business ID into personal ID. So let's find an option. You have to find this option, creator tools and control, then scroll down. After you will see switch account type. I will switch to my personal account because I want to make my Instagram account private. So just you have to hold on for 3 to 5 seconds. So now you can see my professional dashboard has disappeared because my ID has been converted into personal account. So now let's go to make it private. Click on your profile icon and click on three lines. After that, account privacy, then click on private account. So here I will review my followers, sum of followers. So here my account has been private. So this is very easiest way to how you can convert your public account into private. Hope so you like the video. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel.